Warehouses went from dusty to data-driven, and that's saving millions. Today's modern warehouse is less about space and more about smarts. Sensors on shelves stream inventory signals in real time. AI analyzes flows and predicts demand across the network. Robotics handle picking and moving goods with speed and precision. Automated picking and sorting can speed fulfillment 30–50%. Real-time inventory systems lift accuracy into the high 90s. Fewer stockouts across stores and online sales channels. Happier customers receiving orders faster and reliably every time. Automation and optimization tools can cut labor costs by 20–30%. And because everything's tracked, managers get actionable insights, with fewer errors, lower cost, and faster delivery. A supply chain that actually adapts when demand shifts. If you're running a warehouse, the message is clear. Invest in intelligence. Let the data do the heavy lifting. Smarter supply chains aren't optional. They're the new baseline. Learn more in the linked article below, and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more such insights, or subscribe to our newsletter by logging through the link below.